itudo gi ketho mar bedo andhoge. Jaod bura mabondo Gideon Ochanda, Elisha Odhiambo Magem kod jaod bura ma Suba South Karoli Omondi nie kindo jaod bura auchiel ma od bura oramo ni nyaka koro wuogi apisi kuom kawo chung' mopogore gi dwach ODM. Jagoro maduong' mar ODM Edwin Sifuna bende opuoyo jong'anyo mar rowere kuom kedo ne ratiro margi kokwedo teko mathoth ma obila tiyo godo e kedo gi jong'anyo.
ODM shall initiate and lead recall processes in the following constituencies in light of the current office holders' repeated violation of their sacred oath and the wishes of their electorate. Number 1, Game constituency. Number 2, Bondo constituency. Number 3, Navajolo constituency. Number 4, Kajiado Central. Number 5, Ikolomani. And lastly, Suba South in Homa Bay. The Central Committee extends its deepest condolences to all those who have lost their loved ones and pray that God will comfort them in this time of tragedy. We are in awe of the Kenyan youth who, through their unity of purpose, have stood with their fallen colleagues and raised vast sums of money in very short times to pay hospital bills for the injured. As a mass movement that has been on this journey of true liberation for a long time, we know how difficult it is to achieve some of the things that we have seen you do. You have absolutely earned our respect as a party, and we salute you. As a party that was founded on the tenets of social justice, we shall walk the journey of bringing about justice and accountability for all of the regime's crimes since they took power. What happened on the 25th of June 2024 amounted to a vote of no confidence in the Ruto regime. Instead of focusing on cutting wastage, opulence and corruption in his regime, he is hitting back at the Kenyan people with threats to cut funding for the judiciary and the county governments.